Hi everyone. I've been busy doing some sketching and I still can only use my iPhone because I thought I was smart. I grabbed my camera, my video camera, and my tripod. I forgot the cord. It's packed away, so this is all I have. And I wanted to see if I could draw some bugs today or whatever. I was thinking of the swap that's going on at Crazy Island Family, but I won't be able to participate this time because I don't have any pen. Like, this is all pencil. I have no pens to go over this and then erase it and then color it. I have nothing to color. Well, watercolor, but not the greatest. I just thought I'd come on and show you some other things I'm doing. I gotta try and keep artfully busy. So we'll go to this one in just a sec. I'm sitting in my chair and I'm sitting on with the laptop right there on my lap. And my sketch pad is actually quite small. It's one of those Moleskine types. Anyways, this is a ladybug that I did. Just a pencil sketch, looking at one on the internet. So, but this is my own. And then I'll probably have to turn my camera for you to see this right. Well, maybe not. Excuse me. I saw this and I thought, how cute, but I changed it up a lot. Yeah, I call this one Crown Bee, right down there, Crown Bee. I just love that one. Okay, I'm going on to the next, which is, no, it was actually this one. Oops. I'm going to go back. No, I'm going to stay like this. Sorry, guys. Oh, gosh. My last video was so terrible because it was so skinny. So I'll just back up a little. Probably making you dizzy. And, yeah, this one I've called Lady Bee. So then I tried working on a turtle. I didn't think I did too bad for a first time sketch, but yeah. I'd like to have the proper pen to go over everything and then erase my pencil. And the next one I did, oh, I did that one. Am I going backwards? Hang on a second. Yeah. Let me see. I gotta go back to the beginning here. This is just an old sketch that I did. I might as well just show you what I've got in this book. Oh my gosh, I couldn't believe this. Like, how ugly is that? Oh my god. That's not the greatest. So then I was trying to do some houses. And then I did these cuties. They're kind of my little babies. That one I just adore. And these were done in 2012. So I've been arting for quite a while. This is one of my favorite girls. I like her. My granddaughter loves her. And that was done July 22nd, 2012. And then I did that one. and that one. This was done on the 23rd. This one here looks like I forgot hair, but actually I didn't forget any hair at all. But one thing about these sketchbooks is that they tend to, all my marks just get all smudged in here. I really like this one. That was done July the 24th, 2012. Oop, there's my little one again. That's usually how I sign my name, DP. So if I do my book like this, then it's a little easier for me to know if I showed you everything. Yeah, this was done in 2012 as well. And then I sketched my hand in September. And I was sitting in my chair here. I thought, well, I'm going to sketch our couch and our end table. That was done October 4th, 2012. That one, see? I don't like this one at all. That one, and that one was done in October. My husband's favorite one, really, is this one. I don't know why he likes that so much. That was done in November. And it's smudging really bad. This was one I was doing for one of the classes I was taking, and that was done November 2012. I don't like this iPhone camera business, you guys, really I don't. So then we get into the ones that I was doing today. So we just quickly run through that one more time. And then I did this one. I think I can draw bugs not too bad. I'm quite liking them. I like it. You know what? I'm going to leave it like this and see if I can edit that and flip that. I don't know if I can, but maybe I can. Anyways, I really like that one. And that one is Crown Bee. And then we have Lady Bee. And I did the turtle upside down on the other side. That was done today. And I don't know if I've done any more. I think that might be it. Yeah, that's all there is. So, yeah, I was just sketching bees and, well, turtles and, just one sec. I'm going to get my other book because I know there's something else. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I knew that there was more because I'd done this bird. And then I did this girl here. But I love my bird. Love the bird, love the bird, love the bird. So, anyways, I'm going to go. Thanks for watching. Bye.